A lot of people sacrificed a year of their life to keep others safe.
And for so many of us, life has drastically changed in this last year, like those people who suddenly found themselves in the middle of efforts to get us through this pandemic.
Tonight, News 5's Clay Lepard begins our in-depth team coverage. He shows us what life has been like for those who work at our local health departments.
Bright brown eyes greet those coming through the doors at this vaccination clinic for Lorain County Public Health. Over the last year, what Sandra Nieves' eyes have seen.
The last vacation I took had to have been last year.
This public health nurse started the pandemic as part of a contact tracing team.
I especially was important because I'm Hispanic and I'm bilingual. And so I was able to reach those people that spoke no English.
Now she helps prepare each dose of the vaccine. Over the last year, the team with Lorain County Public Health saw its role continuously adapt and expand, from distributing PPE and contact tracing to COVID and antibody tests to now vaccinating as many people as they can, as quickly as they can.
A lot of people sacrificed a year of their life to keep others safe.
Epidemiologist Mitch Dandurand won't brag about the 28 straight days he worked when the pandemic started.
That's true, but I'm not alone.
He's more focused on tracking and investigating the coronavirus as it made its way through Lorain County.
One thing we know, well, I've learned from this, is nothing is predictable. So when we thought we had waves, we had a spike, if you will, in the spring, a small spike in the summer.
Lorain County saw its peak in confirmed cases in November and December, cases ranging in age from under a year old to 103.
Read in my college classes about a pandemic and what it would look like if it ever came. It's been that and more.
For Health Commissioner Dave Koval, he's looking forward to seeing a day where his team can take a much-needed break.
By the end of April, we'll have all the high-risk people and people over 65 all vaccinated, and we'll be opening up the doors for everyone else. And by June, the vaccine will be enough in the community to really put this pandemic to bed.
In Lorain County,
There's the light at the end of the tunnel, and I promise it's not a train.
Clay Lepard, News 5.